Here are 10 popular brands that are often lucrative for reselling, along with a brief overview of why they're appealing. 1. Patagonia. Appeal, known for high quality outdoor apparel, especially their jackets and fleeces, which are sought after for both performance and sustainability. 2. Vintage Levi's. Appeal. Vintage denim, particularly Levi's jeans, is always in demand due to the retro fashion trend. 3. Burberry. Appeal. Luxury items, especially scarves and trench coats, retain value and appeal to fashion-conscious consumers. 4. Chanel. Appeal. High-end handbags and accessories often appreciate over time, making them a solid investment. 5. Sony. Appeal. Popular electronics, including cameras and gaming consoles, have strong resale markets, especially new and limited editions. 6. Hypebeast brands, e.g. Off-White, Fear of God, appeal. Limited releases and collaborations create high demand and resale value among streetwear enthusiasts. 7. Ralph Lauren. Appeal. Classic polo shirts and high-end apparel retain popularity, especially vintage pieces. 8. New Balance. Gaining popularity in the sneaker market, especially certain collaborations and limited releases. 9. Tiffany & Co. Fine jewelry and accessories, particularly vintage or discontinued items, have a solid resale market. 10. Samsung. Popular electronics, including smartphones and smartwatches, are sought after, especially flagship models. Tips for reselling. Stay informed. Follow trends and new releases closely. Authenticity matters. Always verify product authenticity to maintain buyer trust. Use multiple platforms. Explore different platforms for selling, such as Poshmark for clothing or Mercari for a broader range of items. Network and collaborate. Engage with other resellers for insights and support. These brands can help you tap into lucrative resale opportunities.